Welcome to Data Mine Hub, a platform to collect, track, and analyze data for all industries. In this video, we will explain templates and how to create and manage templates and their fields. Before managing data, we need to know what types of data are included. For example, in inventory management, barcode or UPC, SKU, title, quantity, buy cost, selling price, supplier and other data are often needed. Templates are for this purpose. We define these fields through a template first, and then we can maintain inventory data based on the template. Click Templates on the left sidebar and we come to the Templates page. At the beginning, we don't have any created templates. Click the New Template button to create our first template. In the New Template pop-up window, fill in the name and description of the template. Although the description is not required, it is always a good idea to provide a meaningful description. Click the Create button to generate the template. We have just created our first template. This card shows the name, description, and creation time of the template. It also shows that field count is 0 and sheets is also 0. This is because we have just created a template and have not yet created the fields that the template should contain. We will do that next. The number of sheets indicates how many sheets have been created based on the template. Click the ellipsis vertical icon in the upper right corner of the card, and you can see that this drop-down list has multiple options. View fields can further view the fields contained in the template. Edit is used to modify the name and description of the template. Lock can lock the template and its fields to prevent accidental modification or deletion of the template. Archive means that when we do not need the template, but do not want to delete it directly, we can archive it. The archive template cannot be used anymore, but it can be used as a reference. The delete option will delete the template permanently. Lock, archive and delete will give a confirmation before the operation. If the template is locked, it can be unlocked again. However, archive and delete are irreversible operations, so they need to be considered carefully. Let's go back to the previous step and select the first View Fields option in the drop-down list. Now we come to the Fields page. Fields like SKU, quantity, price, etc. in inventory management. These are all fields. Click the New Field button. Let's start adding our fields. Give the field a name, description, and select the field type. There are many options for field type, and we will talk about it in detail later. For example, it is common in inventory management that each product has a corresponding barcode. You can set the name of the field to UPC or any name you think is appropriate. Because UPC is a string of characters, we choose its field type as text. Is barcode option tells whether the field is a barcode. This option is very useful if you need to scan the barcode of the product through a barcode scanner in your case. When you toggle the Is barcode field on, you can use the barcode scan function of the Data Mine Hub mobile app to automatically scan the barcode, without having to enter the barcodes one by one, which is error-prone and time-consuming. So, if your field is a barcode, please toggle on the Is barcode option. When you have the Is required toggled on, you must provide the value of this field when you enter your data into a sheet based on this template. By repeating this process, we can add all the required fields, such as barcode, SKU, quantity, price, supplier, purchase date, amount. These are just examples. You can create any field you actually need, there is no limit. Notice that for the amount field, there is a calculator below the creation date, quantity multiplied by price. This means that the value of amount depends on the multiplication of quantity and price, which is very useful and common. For the created fields, we can also edit them. Click the ellipsis vertical icon in the upper right corner of the card to see that this drop-down list has multiple functions. Edit field can modify its name, description, is barcode, is required properties, but cannot modify field type due to data type compatibility issues. If you really need to modify it, we recommend creating a new field. Move backward and move forward can be used to adjust the order of fields, which will also determine the order in which data appears in the sheet. The delete field will delete the field, and there will be a confirmation dialog to confirm. Note that when you delete the field, all the data that has been entered before will be deleted, so you need to think carefully. At this point, our first template and its fields have been created successfully. According to your actual business needs and imagination, you can create different types of templates to manage your data, such as asset tracking, order tracking, and even your daily work management. Thank you for watching. You can continue to watch our other videos and documents, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us.